there's a hidden feature in the Raspberry Pi Imager 2.0. I'm not entirely sure if this was in the older one as well, but this is amazing because now I don't need to have a disk formatter on my system, and the Windows one doesn't seem to work all the time for me. Once you open the program, you plug in your SD card or your memory stick, and it's on device. You go to where it says next, and from next you scroll all the way down, and you're going to see this option that says erase format card as FAT32. I'm going to click on that, then click next. When that comes up, from here it picks up the drive that I've plugged in, and then I'm going to click next again, and then I'm going to click right. It's going to come up with this option telling me that it's wiping the disk, and I need to be sure I understand. It's going to format the disk. The Windows completion sound just played, so I know everything is working okay. I'm going to click on finish, and that's worked perfectly fine. Now normally I would use something like EAUS Disk Manager, or I would try to use the Windows one, but the Windows one is very buggy. It doesn't work very well for me, so this is a really good addition. Thank you, Raspberry Pi.